Hi everyone, it's CHEMUK. We're here again, exhibiting and presenting again this year. It's setup day. As you can see, there's quite a lot going on around us, lots of people in high-vis tabards. There's a very dangerous pot of orange paint over there, which is not the reason why I'm orange today. Here on our stand, which is obviously not fully populated yet, we have for the very first time our new overview graphic. So it's showing all the different kinds of things we can measure and then use our technology to get that data into the cloud. And then for the first time now showing some of the outputs that are typically used by our customers. So the dashboards, the reports, the alerts, foundation data for AI and integration into other kinds of portals. There's that pot of orange paint.
Always excited about CHEMUK. We've been here for, I think this is the 4th year we've done it. It's always a great show, but it seems to get better and better every year. At PowTechnology, we're about adding connectivity to sensors and machines, helping the environment, improving industry in so many different ways. If you want to come a bit closer, I'll show you a few little products that we've got on display. So, for example, we've got flow meters here, which interface very nicely to our wonderful new MetronM product, which will take pulses and RS485 Modbus and get it to the cloud with built-in 4G connectivity. Sitting next to that is the MetronM, which is for more analog sensors, so level, temperature, pressure and flow. And mentioning level, we've got this wonderful Siemens LR series radar level sensors, which we use extensively for all sorts of different level applications. It will cope with demanding applications and works really well with the MetronM, especially in situations where power can be demanding and you want to do maybe theft detection or leak detection. And with solar power systems and such like, you know, we can do all that and edge processing and more. And we also talk a little bit more about our cloud and how we're able to create dashboards and reporting, alerting and provide data feeds, clean data feeds into AI, integrate to third-party platforms and so much more. So yeah, really looking forward to the show.
Welcome to CHEMUK. Come and see us on stand K70 for great solutions. Hi everyone, it's Will from PowTechnology. I'm here today at CHEMUK. We're presenting half one on how to get through pilot Purgatory. We're going to give some real use case examples and we're going to talk through how people progress from simple IoT pilots into reality. It's what most people struggle with most when deploying IoT solutions.
This is Mike. He's one of our wonderful developers. He's been wandering around the show, talking to people and learning lots of things. What sort of things are you talking about, Mike?
Well, I'm going around the stands asking people what their processes are and what kind of stuff they do and how sensors can fit in with that and what, from my perspective, what kind of software they run, what kind of monitoring they have and what kind of things typically their customers ask for. And I guess looking for collaboration opportunities and getting a better understanding of what kind of processes our customers are involved in.
MetronM, great at juggling lots of things.
Hi, James.
Hi.
So it's a very warm welcome to James. This is his first time with us at CHEMUK. Welcome to PowTechnology. Can you tell us, why is visibility so important to people in the chemical industry?
Visibility helps people stay in control, so they're able to see the operations and how it affects them in real-time monitoring. As you can see on here, there are many things from reports, alerts and AI.
Hi everybody, I'm Will from PowTechnology. It's our 4th time presenting at CHEMUK. We try and talk about real industrial IoT. So I'm going to give you 2 use cases today. How do we create a roadmap to solutions and problems? How do we make pilots go away and turn into real projects?
Hi. Nice to see you here on the stand. Navia is one of our developers and it's great that she's come here to the show to see what's going on. What do you think is the most valuable thing for people like yourself on the development side of the business coming to a show like CHEMUK?
It's really great to see how IIoT is doing in the chemical industry and to see different technologies or emerging technologies that are in the industries. So it'll be nice. It's a nice opportunity to go around to see different solutions and different ideas which other companies are implementing, and to see what is it that we can bring into our company and improve our products or understand the differences among them. And also it's very nice to see one of our new product, which is MetronM, our latest launch, how it's being received from the customer point of view and different questions which we get from them. So I would say it's really nice to be here to, among all these people and sales, seeing everything. Thank you.
Hey, it's day 2 at CHEMUK.
Here we are at stand K70 talking to people about adding connectivity to sensors and machines, helping industry and the environment reduce costs, reduce emissions and lots more. Come and say hello.
Hi, Daniela. Well, because we make it easy for our customers. So we deal with a lot of manufacturers and distributors. They focus on making and delivering products. We focus on the remote monitoring. So we understand the why and we deliver on our promise of the how. They just focus on what they do. We take care of the rest.